Welcome back, everyone, to McNeil's Garage. I'm Sean McNeil, and today I'm going to be doing something that I hate to do. Maintenance on your vehicle. Well, as you can see, I've got my 86 Chevy Caprice Classic, which I have dubbed the Crappy Caprice. And today, which I already did it, anyway, I changed the valve cover gaskets because it was leaking really, really bad. Let me show you over here. I don't know if you can see all the oil down in there. So it's coming out of here leaking. So I changed this one because that's going to be the hardest one. And then I came over here to change this one. Well, this one ain't even leaking. So my thought is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm not fixing nothing. I'm not going to do this one here. If I did that one there, I'll take you over here to show you the gasket that I pulled off of it. Looked like you could tell where it was leaking at. You can tell where it's really, really close there. And you got oil underneath it. And anyway, now I'm gonna get some brake clean. Take the brake clean and hit it. Maybe I can get out of the box and spray down there, see if we can get some of that oil cleaned up. And then we'll start it up and make sure I got it tight enough. I hate to tighten up the valve cover because to me, I always try to over tighten them. And I hate when you over tighten them, then everything goes wrong. Bend them up and everything else. But let's see here. Let me get this light going on so I can see it. And maybe you can see it too. Yeah, you might be able to see it. Oh, yeah. Now let's take a gander at it. Yep. Yep. All right. So you know it's going to smoke when I start it up. Yeah. Let's go ahead and start it up now and see what happens. So, to start the Caprice up, gotta come back here and hit the switch. Turn the switch on. Let's just see if we can reach to the window here. Turn the key on. Make sure it's in park. Flip the switch. Hear the fuel pump running. Sounds pretty good. Alright, let's turn this thing back off. So, at least oil ain't gushing out of it. I'll let it run a little bit longer here in a second. But here, went and picked this up the other day. Another big block Chevy. A friend of a friend called and said that he knew someone who's selling it. So, made arrangement. I'm gonna pick that up. Don't know what we're gonna do with that yet. But, I don't know, we'll have to get on to that. But yeah, so, new cork over there, 5/16 thick. This here was doubled with the rubber ones. I bought 2 sets because I didn't know if I had to double them up or not, but There's the other set, and here's the other one I didn't put on. So this one here is what I run in my boy's big block car. That don't leak, so that's good. I have a video coming up on this because I really did something stupid the other day, and my son don't want me to think a video of it. But yeah, there it is. Got it started. There ain't no oil coming out of it, which I know I didn't leave it started long enough to get oil pumped out of it, but I ain't gonna let y'all listen to that. I'll start up here in a little bit and turn all the fans on and see if we can get any oil in it. Maybe I might have to tighten them up a little more. Trying to get ready. They got a drag race coming up next month. Cash at the Hill. Thing is a happy lippy race. So I'm gonna try to take that down. Let my boy run it. I'm sure he'll have way more fun than I will. But yeah, it should be a hoot. I mean, it's not fast. You shoot, look at it. It's got a full interior in it. Full dashboard, except for the gauges and switches right there. But it's got a reverse pattern manual valve body with a trans brake on it. 400 turbo trans brake. So yep, there she is, my big block Chevy and my Crappy Caprice, 1985 Chevy Caprice Classic. 1966 Chevy Bel Air, big block Chevy, 90 something, late 90 something, had a throttle body intake on it. Somebody wanted a throttle body, so they sold it to them. That's usually the first thing I take off and throw in the trash. But there's something for everybody out there. Hope y'all enjoyed. I know I didn't get to the other side. I was going to show you all the other side, how I did it. Show you the stud girdles I got down in this one. I might insert the picture of it at the very end or right here, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I took a picture of it whenever I took the cover off. It's got these big old stud girdles on it. Supposed to be a pretty big motor in it. So yep, that's what it is. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing something on that this weekend. I'll probably post it next week sometime. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for who subscribed to the channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Like, share, comment. Comment what you think we ought to do with this motor here. Make it a big one, or just keep it stock-ish, and stick it in one of the cars I got out back somewhere. So, all right, thank y'all again. Sean McNeil, McNeil's Garage, saying see y'all later. Thank y'all for watching.